Welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about something that affects all of us: sleep. Did you know that a good night's sleep is just as important as regular exercise and a healthy diet? In fact, a lack of sleep can have negative effects on your physical and mental health. So, if you're struggling to get enough rest, or just want to improve the quality of your sleep, keep watching. Hey everyone, today we're talking about the importance of sleep for your overall health and fitness. As we all know, sleep is essential for our bodies to function properly. It helps to repair and rejuvenate our muscles and organs. And it's also crucial for our mental well-being. But did you know that a lack of sleep can have some serious negative effects on our health? Studies have shown that people who don't get enough sleep are more likely to suffer from obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. A lack of sleep can also weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. And if you're not sleeping well, it can also impact your mood, making you more irritable, anxious, or depressed. So, how can we ensure that we're getting the right amount and quality of sleep? Here are some tips. Stick to a sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This will help regulate your body clock and make it easier to fall asleep at night. Create a bedtime routine. Whether it's taking a warm bath, reading a book, or doing some gentle yoga, find a relaxing activity that helps you wind down and signals to your body that it's time for sleep. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Avoid using electronics in bed, as the blue light can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine before bedtime, as well as alcohol and nicotine, which can disrupt sleep patterns. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Just make sure to finish your workout at least a few hours before bedtime, as exercise can also stimulate the body and make it harder to fall asleep. Limit daytime naps. While napping during the day can help you feel more rested, it can also interfere with your nighttime sleep. If you do nap, limit it to 20 to 30 minutes and avoid napping later in the day. Manage stress. Stress and anxiety can make it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help you unwind before bed. Avoid screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt your body's production of melatonin and make it harder to fall asleep. Try to avoid using your phone or computer for at least an hour before bed. Experiment with different sleep positions. Some people find that sleeping on their back or stomach can exacerbate snoring or sleep apnea, while others may find that sleeping on their side is more comfortable. Experiment with different sleep positions to find what works best for you. Seek help if you have trouble sleeping. If you consistently have trouble falling or staying asleep, or if you have other symptoms like snoring or daytime fatigue, it's important to talk to your doctor. They can help identify any underlying conditions and suggest treatments to improve your sleep. By following these tips, you can improve the quality and quantity of your sleep and reap the many benefits for your overall health and fitness. So, make sleep a priority in your life, and sweet dreams. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on living a healthy, happy life. Thanks for watching.